Good morning, all. Am I audible? Hello. Yes, no, maybe.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Great. Yeah. Now it is audible. So before starting everything, what I have done yesterday? Yesterday, what topic I have covered? Okay, connecting two servers. Anyone practiced, or anyone is getting any error, or no one is getting video because of that? No practice. Array homework today, tomorrow I'll prepare. I didn't get time. Today maybe if I'm doing work from home, then maybe I'll do. Today work from home only.
Recording in progress.
So let's get started. So no one is anyone tried, or like just not tried itself because of video. Not tried. Oh, They need to talk to Harsha. Why? Then Harsha can give me the administrator access. I can manage those things. Not an issue. That cloud where it is storing. 5-10 minutes work only. That is the problem. They could have instead of Anil, they can give me the access. I can do that. I can manage this. And if he wants to pay more, not an issue. I can take it also. Now this Amazon MFA everywhere for everyone MFA this multi-factor authentication or still no one is using. You have to use up in some days maybe. Nice. So today what I'm going to cover. Today I'm going to do one project. Okay, related to shell script. How in real time we'll be using this project. What is the use of that particular real time? Okay. Let me go to some other region. Oh, not. Wait. Let me share my screen. Now screen is visible, right? Okay, great. Let me. Okay, for one server only. Let me do it. Okay, because it's passwordless SSH everything. Okay, you didn't practice. That is the problem. I'll talk to Harsha directly today. I'll say happy server name. This one I should do through Terraform. Next day I'll create one script. I don't need to go every time here and click. I'll just run Terraform code. It will be done. That I'll write it maybe tomorrow. For tomorrow I need to do a lot of stuffs. I'm taking default. So let me open this till that time. Okay. This is one of the script I made it for previous batch also. So here, what is telling? I need to create one user. See, in company real-time scenario, need different new joinees will come. So we need to give access or we need to create account for them to my each and every server. Maybe if I have more than 100,000 servers are there, I need to create those account every server so that this new guy will be able to access all the servers and work something, maybe application related work or any work. Okay. So as of now, what we need to do if we don't have any script kind of thing, I need to go to each and every server. I need to execute what command? User add command, right? Previously we already done user add and username. So same way pass WD, username, password need to change. But what if some like already same name user already available? Okay. So that time it will not be able to create. So so to like we'll get some error obviously if I'm going on cancel every time each and every server I'll get for sure. But what if I am writing a shell script there it is getting error. I need to do something. Maybe I need to modify again in the shell script also maybe. So to avoid that, we can set some condition. I'll be having a lot of condition here. So here, what we'll do first, I'm telling this script means see without root access you cannot use user. You cannot add user, right? Until and unless I'm giving sudo permission to other users. Okay, but in real time, it should be like only root will be able to access, add the server. It means administrator. You have to go to administrator. You need to say, hey, this is my new joining. Create one account for it. Okay. Next, user should provide at least one argument as username. Okay. What it is means? It means like user should provide what username I want to create. Otherwise, I can create it in a random user. So that is not a good practice because it should be username only whatever it should match with his name also. So that will identify easily. Okay. Store first argument. This one I will be explaining here only. Okay. This is somewhat long script. Okay. not that much. So first condition, what condition I said, script should be executed with root. Whatever the script I'll be writing for user add, that should be executed through root. This is the condition. What condition? If UID, okay, not equal to zero. Not equal to zero means I'll come here. Now I'll show you real time. What is the UID for root? Okay. Every time if you are creating any root like any server, root account by default it will be created, right? For that, uh, TCP user. So how to know the UID of a user? Can anyone tell me? I covered in user management class. When I was creating some user that time I showed like this is the UID of the user, this is the GID of the user. How to know? Anyone knows? Yes. Okay, let's try to etc passwd. Okay. So here I will search for root, right? I root. So here also you can get the thing. What is there? 0. It means UID of a root user is 0. Otherwise, there is a shortcut option. You can say ID which user. So this is the very shortcut. You don't need to go this file and do it. Since you told, so I opened this. So what it is telling UID is 0, GID also 0, group also 0. So it means for any server, root UID will be 0 only. Okay. We will take this particular UID and we will match some statement in my shell script. It means what? Here if I am coming here, so what I am telling, if this is not equals to 0, this UID, it means you cannot run the script because only root will execute the user add command. Correct? So that's why I have made one first statement here. If condition I made, if it is not 0, don't run it. So UID means how it will show me. First, whenever I'll execute the server, here only if I'm saying, see, by default, Linux is saving some variable automatically to do their own job. Okay. So here if I'm saying echo UID, what it is telling? 0. It means I ran this command on root only. If I'm running this some other user, maybe, oh sorry, maybe I'm running this on where EC2 user. What is the UID of EC2 user? 1000. If I'm saying is ID EC2 user, so it is 1000 only. Okay. So before running my script, the first statement is to check whether I'm running with root or not. How to check that? Root means if your user ID is 0 means you should think always this is root user account. Okay. So first condition done. Suppose. Now, first is done. I check whether it is root or not. Next, what I want user should provide one argument because username it should provide me. Okay. I said, okay, this is the next. User should provide at least one argument, else guide him what to do, what not to do. Okay. Here, if this, okay, less than one, this one means what? This is checking the argument. In previous class on string I said, right, if you are giving hash, it will give the count, right? So yeah, 1 2 which count it is there. It is like same as if I am running, let me maybe a dot sh. Okay, I'm putting something, this is something. Okay, I'm just saving it. What is first argument, I'll show you here. Okay, first argument in the sense, if I'm running this script bash then a dot sh. Okay, after that whatever thing I'll be giving, that is called first argument. Okay, if I'm giving Sam, this is the first argument for that script. Remember this. Okay, and this is a zero, you can say script itself is zero. After that one, if I'm giving some other thing Ali, this is the second argument. Maybe another thing is Akash, that is the third argument. We should remember. Okay, what you why, what is first argument, where it is placed, we should remember. After script, whatever first thing we'll give, that is called first argument. Okay, the same thing I am telling here. If this is less than 1, okay, echo username and comment you need to give. What command? You can say like you should provide the first argument, this kind of thing. I should say give the message to user, so the user will understand, okay, I need to give the first argument, okay, I'll give. Okay, and exit. So if it is, if you are not giving first argument, it will not take it. Okay, so now this first argument I need to store somewhere, right? That is username. First argument means username you are providing. Okay, should I run this first, then I'll explain? That will be better. Okay, let me run this total script, then I'll explain it. I think that would be better. Vi user dot sh. Okay, and say bash user dot sh. What it is telling? This, okay, let me give this meaningful line here. Okay, I said uh, this one only, right? Okay, username. Also, please provide correct first argument. Okay, please provide first argument. Okay, so it should throw me some meaningful word. What is telling? Please provide first argument, because it is not getting the argument itself. What is the first argument? After script, I need to give something, right? So maybe I'll say Sam user. Let's create it. Now what is this? It's done everything. I didn't do anything, but now I'll explain. What is telling? Changing password for user Sam successfully, expiring password for user successfully. Something is there, and this Sam password also created automatically. I didn't do anything. Script itself done. So I'll let you know what are the commands, everything. Now you got it right. If I'm not giving first argument, it will not work. If I'm running that script on some other user, let's try to do this. But this user cannot go to, say, I think, I don't know, slash root, it will go. That is the problem. Let's try. Okay, it is going. It will not go. It doesn't have access. Okay, let me copy that script and I'll paste it here itself from directory of shell.sh. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, if I'm telling bash shell.sh, first thing it checked, it is sudo or not. It's telling please run with sudo. Okay, this word I need to change it. So it is first, it check, it is not getting the root access. It is telling you are running other than root user. That's why it didn't go to next step itself. There itself it got exited because it should be this script should be run through sudo only. Without sudo you should not run. I'll be mentioning like this only. Okay. Now since okay here even though if I'm giving first argument also it will not go. Okay, because at first case only it just checked and it didn't get the desired output. That's what it just exited. Okay, let me go there itself. Here what is the yes. Oh yeah, user. Okay, so here only it's stuck here. Okay, exit. See exit where show this print message then exit it because it is not matching, not equals to zero. It should be equals to zero. Okay, and here also that argument one I showed you, right? Next is what? Now, if these two condition are matching, then go with next condition. I'll say, okay, I'll here only. Where I was, okay, here. Now, see, user has given the input. Suppose here Sam I said, right? User has given the input. I need to store somewhere to use in the future cases, right? Variable. Store it as a variable. Variable I already taught you. Okay. So that's what I'm taking. What it is means first argument. Whatever user will provide the first argument, use that as a variable as user underscore name. Okay. So once that is done, I can now someone was telling something. Okay. So here we need to use shift keyword. This is the inbuilt feature of shell script. Okay. Here what I'm telling comment means whatever available at the rate dollar at the rate everything whatever available store it as a comments variable. Okay. Now I'll echo this one. The same thing it was showing me here, right? When I ran this somewhere here, something it is there, right? Uh, changing password for same password authentication token. Okay, let me come here. I'll show you. So echo everything means comment. Here I just declared a variable here. Now I'm showing that comment. Whatever content is available, show me. Okay. Now you need to create password. Okay. To create password, okay. What I said, you can create some random password so that next time whenever user will log in, she has to change the password. You know, right? Change command you use to expand the password, right? The same thing I'll be using here also. Okay. It means like we are using the same command but as a shell script so that I need to execute command again and again. Okay. What I'll say, password what is telling? Generate password with the timestamp. Whatever timestamp available currently, generate password with that only. Can run this one. Let's try it. Say this. Let me come out from the session. So it will generate this password, and every time this seconds will be changed, right? Password will be also changed. Can you see this? Earlier 46 was there, now 62. So every time it will be changing. So for different user, password will be different. It is taking the timestamp only. Okay, that's what I kept here as a timestamp as a password variable. Okay, whatever you are getting output, store it as a password variable. You can put here test at the 1 2 3. You can put anything. That will be like static. Everyone can use others users access also with that password. So that's what this one will be different for every second. See, it is different every second different. So yeah, S means seconds. Yeah, N I think to close this something. But numbering I think maybe. You can get it easily. We have chat GPT. Otherwise, you can search it on internet. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? In shell script. Returns numbers of seconds. N means number. Got it, right? Now you can give that value also. Like fraction. I don't need fraction and all. Okay. So this one clear, right? I stored password. Now I got the thing. I got username also from the user. I created password also from here. Now I can create the username. Okay. I'll say user add hyphen c comment. Okay. This comment I can comment also I can give. Okay. This command would be uh, nano whatever. So this command I variable. This command means this one means everything, right? What I am telling, other than first argument, whatever user will provide, that is stored as a comment. Comment in the sense we can mention like this is application user, this is database user, this is some other user. Yeah, from second started, everything is comment only. I can mention second only comment. Here I can give two also, not an issue. Whatever two argument will be there, make it comment. Okay, I can. Yes. That's why we are using shift. Shift means it is going after one first argument. Shift we are using, it is shifting from first argument to next. Okay, that's why we are using shift. So here I'll be using user add hyphen c what command? Username maybe hyphen m username. Okay, m means modify or something option will be there, some meaning will be there, but it will create also. If you are not giving m also, it will create. Okay, now suppose I have created this. Okay. Now I need to check whether user is created or not. I need to validate it. How we are used to validate? I used to come here, ID something we used to do, right? ID root or some other user or ID SAM user, anything. Okay, SAM user also available. Okay. To check that, this one thing, this is very important. Okay. This means dollar and question mark. This is called special character in shell script. I'll give one list of special character also. There, all the special characters, whatever available in this shell script, it would be explaining over there. What is the meaning of this? It is checking the last comment output, whether it is successful or failed. Last comment. Okay, let's try to do this. I'm saying ID Sam, right? This is my last comment. I'll say this dollar question mark. Okay, go. What? Why 720? This it is now checking this command output. This is not command means it is failed. If your now I'll say this one. Is this one is zero. If it is successful means zero. If you are getting zero output means last command was successful. If you are getting other than zero means that is failed. Okay. Now I'll just simply failed it. User add it. Okay, this one also successful. Some other thing maybe up t. Up means what it is telling command not found. It means it should show me it is failed, right? It is not executed anything. It means this time it should give me what output other than zero. Let's try it. It can be some other, not only every time 1727. There will be meaning, different meaning of there. Okay. Now if I'm doing LLL, okay, this is also not found. It should throw some digit. This digit. Okay. So now we will use the same concept here. What concept means? See, if it is successful, then I should get the zero, right? If it is not successful, other than zero. Now I'll make one condition here. What condition? What I'm telling, if this output not equals to zero, not equals to zero means failed, equals to zero means pass, right? So if it is not equals to zero, then this account is not created. Got it, right? This is very good example of sales script, man. You'll understand everything. We are making each and every condition. That's ah ah. So that's what I choose this script. There are a lot of scripts are there. So this one good, right? I'm checking last command output whether it was successful or failed. If it is failed, then say account is not created and exit itself over there itself. You don't go to there next because account is not created. Okay, till here clear, right? Online, offline, everyone, or any doubt? All good. Someone messaged. Okay, all good, right? Fine. Now I created user. I need to set password now. I said password would be this. I stored it as a variable, but I need to assign that password to user, right? Now this is set password for user. Okay. What I am telling, echo this. Echo means means it will give you the output of this particular storage variable, whatever I am storing here. It will first echo it, and this output will be there. Something will be there, right? Redirect this output to passwd standard in input. Whatever output will come from this command, put out here as a input for passwd command. Okay, I'm giving same that whatever store here I'm assigning passwd, and for which user, whatever user I have stored as a variable. Clear, right? This like input, standard input, like whatever output from there, this should be input for passwd command. I'm setting the password. Okay, I can set password normally also. Password if I'm saying passwd, I'm saying standard passwd, maybe I'll say test at the rate 123. Some option will be there for user, same user, only one user made. Okay, it is taking as a two user, two very argument means two user. Somewhere I need to give here a standard input something. Okay, stdin or some other command should be there, something will be there. Okay, or else I can use this. Okay, I'll say echo which one, I'll say test at the rate 123. Okay, now redirect this particular test at the rate 123 to standard input of user Sam. Okay, what it is telling? Authentication successful. What it did? It took this output and it gave to this particular command for Sam user, that is called as a password. So it is successful. The same thing I'll be using here. Echo whatever I stored in passwd variable. First show this one what is available. Then in redirect this output to passwd's command input. Okay, clear, right? Again I need to check whether password is assigned or not. Again same thing, I'll check whether it is not equals to 0 or not. If it is also not equals to 0, then failed, right? If it is equals to 0 means successful. The same thing here, I have checked it. Okay, now this is random password, they cannot remember 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. I need to say whenever user will try to log in, they should at first login they should change the password. Okay, to change the password expiry, you already know, right? Passwd hyphen e expiry. So it means on the next login itself, users should be able to change their password. And now here I am just displaying something. Your username this and your password is this. That's it. Because password variable I already stored it here, and it will be showing you this one. Clear, right? Now let me go to the server. I'll try to run this. I'll say bash user. I'll create Akash username. Okay. I'll say Akash is application user. Application user. Okay. Now everything is done. Okay, what is telling? Akash is application user. Changing password for Akash token successfully. This output also, if I want, I will remove this also, not an issue. But okay, if it is there, fine. Expiring password for Akash, pass WD success, username Akash, password this. Now, if Akash wants to log in, he can log in with this password. Let me try to. Okay, I need to go to switch user to Akash, right? As Akash, it is asking for password. I'll just copy this password. I'll give this password. See now what it is telling. You need to change your password. Give current password. I'll say current password I am provided. Now new password test at the rate 123. Another password test at the rate 123. Oh, it will not check because Linux has created one dictionary. If it is too simple password, it will not take. You have to give some like tough password so that others cannot crack easily. Okay, I can give some other thing. What test at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, still it is telling bad password. Oh, now what is telling? You have access to maximum number of retries for this service. It is not like every time you will give 10 wrong password, it will take. No, it will log the things again. Okay, let's say what is the password, this one, right? Current password. Okay, some other passwords. Again it will say previous password almost matching. I'll give Besant. Besant nahi happy na. This is not Besant. Happy at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now happy take. Happy at the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Now it is logged in and it is telling it was failed also. Okay. See, I just ran one script. Everything is done. I don't need to do anything, and everything should be correct because I made some condition that if that condition is matching, then only it will be success. Otherwise, failed. Clear, right? Now I can create some other. Let me duplicate session. EC2 user. Okay. Here I have this script here, right? I'll say bash. If suppose in next day some other user came into picture, they told like this is new joining. I need access for this server. Your name. What is Chandru? Chandru. Like user Chandru. Okay. Chandru is DB user. Huh? Okay. So Chandru is DB user. So what is telling? Chandru is DB user. Successful. Username is Chandru. Password is this. Now I can come here. I'll say Chandru, right? I will come here and exit from Akash. I'll say switch to Chandru. Chandru. Password is copied. I see now for Chandru also it is saying change password. Keep current password. Now change password. So like this way you can create username. Now it is very easy. You don't need to do anything. Only username it is needed. Nothing else. Everything is there in the script. That is the beauty of script. Any doubt here? No doubt. I have some other script also. I can show you. Okay. Let me see. Rsync script is there. Rsync. Yeah. Okay. Before proceeding this, everyone is clear with this script, right? I'll go with another script that is backup script. Every day we need to take some backup. Okay. And this kind of scenario I'll give today only, today or tomorrow. You have to practice at home. Okay. So let me start with this only. So here some maybe application team or database team will say, I have one directory and that is very much important directory. Okay. You need to take backup of that particular directory. Otherwise, if that directory is someone is deleting means they'll be losing all their data. and it will be business loss. So we don't want business loss. So the what we'll do, even though if I am taking backup every day, even though if someone is deleted mistakenly that main file, I'll have backup. From backup, I can just restore it. Okay. So that thing I'll be showing on this particular script. Okay. Here, for our better understanding, I have taken all path and everything as a variable, so that I don't need to use this big path and all. Okay. And variable we can easily change it, like we can reuse it variable easily. If you are giving, if you are giving this full path, and you need to change everywhere wherever this code will be there. So instead of that, I can give this and here I will change it. That is the beauty of this variable. Okay. What I am trying to do as of now, I am trying to do, take the backup of source directory, what, fstab. Okay. This fstab file. Okay. Destination where you need to store, under samile with fstab name. Okay. And where this log file will be generating, under samile. Okay. And date, this date I'll be using, because every day I'll be taking backup, right? I should give the date also during the take, otherwise you will not understand which day I took this backup. Okay. That's what I took this as a variable also for date also. This is also different meaning also will be there. Let me execute this one. Okay. So this is showing today's test. Okay. This one which value went? Okay, this one I think timing value. This is some, okay. I need to change the time zone. Now it is UTC time zone because of that. Let me change time date CTL set time zone. For us, it is Asia and Kolkata. Okay, Asia, Kolkata. Okay. Oh, time, time. Okay. Now, if I'm checking the time date command, see now this is IST time only, right? Now I will run this. Now 8:44, right? 8:44. 7 seconds. It took every, because here I mentioned second also, minute also, hour also. Okay. So same thing here I have mentioned. Now create a destination directory if it doesn't exit. Okay. Destination, why I mentioned, what I mentioned? Samile. If Samile is not there, create it. If it is there, okay, fine. You don't need to create. Okay. Now let me check whether Samile is available or not. CD Samile. What is saying? No such a file and directory. Okay, fine. Let script create only. I am not going to create. Okay. So script will create. As of now, script will check whether it is available or not. If it is not, just create it. It it will create. Now rsync command for the directories. Okay. This rsync has different options. Okay. Rsync means it is like take. Uh, it will take the backup. Yesterday I practiced on my that writing pad. It is there in my bag only. Okay. What will happen? Suppose this is your fstep file backup. Okay. F S fstep. Okay. You will take backup every day. Okay. Here suppose you have two lines as of now. This is okay. Okay. If I am copying this, this is also there. Now next day again I added something on the main file. Maybe Samail. Okay. If next day again I am copying, again whole total thing will be copying there. It will be waste of your space. So to avoid that, rsync what it will do, it will check what is the difference between both file. Difference is only Samail, right? It will add Samail here. Okay. This is the beauty of rsync. It will check the incremental backup, not like total full backup. So two types of backup is there. Many other maybe there, I don't know. So full backup incremental backup. Full means total whatever available, it will just take a copy. Incremental means it will check the difference, whatever different is there, it will update it. Fine, right? Here what we are doing, we are doing incremental backup. Okay, a v some option will be there. Some this is v means verbosely, a means I think append or something, whatever it will be there. Okay, if you are giving option this on the internet, you will get all the things. Don't need to ask me. You can just go to the internet. You can get it. Async AB means async remote sync utility transferring synchronizing files synchronizing. ठीक है? It is synchronized the thing. Yes. Ah. Okay. V means verbose. A means wait. Synchronize the files. Okay. It is checking on both files. Okay. A is archive also you can say. Obsessed for archive, it is combination of several. Okay, it will do the archive thing. Okay, so let it be whatever format. If I am doing rsync commands, you can say here. If I am doing rsync help, you'll get a lot of things here. Let me check. Rsync hyphen help. Here only I'll get a lot of options. See, lot of options are there. V means purposely, I think. A means standard error something. Hyphen A means archive the thing. Recursive, relative, backup. So a lot of options are there. You can go through it. If you want, you can go through it. Okay. Okay. A lot of options are there. You can go through it. But as of now, I'm focusing on sales script. Okay. So what I'm telling, and this delete option also important. What it is telling? Okay. Let me open this. Tell rsync to delete external file from the receiving side once that are not on the sending side. Okay. Suppose this is also another important scenario I'm telling. This is my backup. This is my main file, right? Main file, and this is my backup file, right? Now I'm copying. That is fine. Now someone is coming to backup file. They have added something. They have added something. Write it down. Added something. But my source doesn't have that particular added file line, right? It means like my main file backup is not correct on that particular backup because some line is missing in backup, but main file it is available. So that time what it will do, if I am dealing giving hyphen delete option, while taking the backup, it will delete this added something, and whatever it is available, it will put to this particular backup file only. So that duplicacy will be not there. Okay. What what I want my main file backup, right? Not from backup file to main. Yes, everything I want from main to backup, not like backup to main. So that's what I know in my main file. Main file is correct, but backup file is wrong. That's why it is deleting whatever extra line is there. It will be deleting because of this particular hyphen delete option. Okay, okay. I did this. Now where to where you need to copy source and destination. I already mentioned source is this path. It is FS tab. Destination is Samail FS tab. Because if destination also not available, it will create first only. So it is getting all the information, means everything is correct. Now this is like sending the output to some file, like whatever logs will be generating during this command, it will be saving to log file. What is log? Where is log file? Samail backup log text. Okay, I'm saving this log file to here. Whatever generating during this command running, I'll be storing the logs here in log file. Okay. Now whether that is successful or not, again I need to check every time whether it is successful or not, because I'm running script. I'm not seeing what is happening. Okay. So I need to check whether it is successful or not. To check successful or not, again this the same command, whether it is equals to a zero or not. If it's equals to zero, then successfully taken backup. If it is not equals to 0, backup failed. Got it, right? Now let me run this script. I'll say vi. You already know that Samail is not available, right? CD Samail, if I'm doing, it is not available. I'll say vi. Now this is for which backup script, right? Backup script. I'll say this one. Now what I'll say? Echo. Now let's say bash backup dot script. What it is telling? Sending incremental file list fstep. Send this much of this is because of verbosely output. Okay. What it is telling? Backup completed successfully on this. Now let me check whether that path is available or not. It destination I'll check. I'll say destination cd samail. See now cd samail is available. Now I'll check this here. See if a step came into picture, log also came into picture. I got everything. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll say cd if a step, if a step. I will edit something here. This is my backup, right? In backup, I'll be editing something. Okay. I'll say vi if a step. To go last line, what is the command? Shift GG. Huh?
Shift G.
Shift G only, right?
Yeah.
Uh, oh, it is. So I'll say here, I edited from backup file. Okay. I edited from backup file. Okay. I'll save this one. Now I edit a backup file. What I'll do, I'll go to again main file also. Main file is etc fstep. There also I'll add something. Okay. Shift G. Oh, Shift G. Okay. Here I'll say I have edited from main file. I have edited from main file. Now which one will be there in backup? Tell me. If I am running that script, which one will be there in the backup? Main file only. Now I'll run that. Let's try to run that. See here my script is not available. Okay. My script is available on /root. You should be very careful while running. I'll say bash /root /backup. Mm, okay, distilling successfully. Now I'll go to Samail fstep and I'll try to check cat fstep. Can you see that? Main file is available, but backup file is deleted because of that hyphen delete. If I'm not giving that option, it will be there only. That time it will be mismatched from your backup file to main file. Like this, lot of scripts are there. You can take it from internet and practice it.
Now if you log out from this instance, right?
Hmm.
Tomorrow again if you log in, so will it be still there?
Just you should not terminate it. And if it is stopped, it's fine. It is on the server only. It will not remove anything. Yeah. Any doubt, guys? Online, offline. Like this, lot of scripts are there. I didn't pick up any other script. Maybe I can take some other script also. Where it is DevOps scenario because DevOps shell script demo rsync commands. Rsync lot of commands will be there. Okay, and I can use another stuffs. Okay, let me use that one also for shell script. I'll install one application through shell script only. Okay, since I have time another 5-10 minutes, so I'll show you. So HTTP application everyone configured, I think. Manually everyone configured, right? Now I should do automatically. Since I know this shell script automation, I can do automatically. I don't need to do manually. So let's try to run the like script that create that script. Okay, cd root. Okay, I'll say vi httpd.sh. Okay, Here, first thing what you need to give, you should not forget this. Okay, WinBash. Now I can give some like thing. First, I can check whether this is installed or not. If it is not installed, then install it. If it is already installed, don't install. Like this, I can give. But as of now, I am giving simple thing. Yam install. I'll say first. I'll say yam install HTTPD, right? HTTPD hyphen y. Once that is done, then what you need to do? We need to start the service, enable the service, right? I'll say start it. Systemctl start HTTPD. You already know the service name. Okay. Now again systemctl enable HTTPD. Okay. Once this is done, I need to make some changes on the file, right? So I'll say echo put this input output this output echo this is my first web server using shell script. This will be bigger. So echo this where to print. You go there slash where slash www slash html slash index.html, right? HTML. So I said this out to this particular file. Okay. Huh? It will create. Now I will run bash HTTP. See, it is doing everything. I am not doing anything. See, everything is done. So now, okay. Okay, let's try to check in the here. Okay. I'll copy this. So if it is not there, then something happened. Okay. Or input and I check. So it is not there. Let me check whether that file will be integrated. Maybe let's try checking. Where www HTML. Oh, it is not HTML. But maybe that service is not started. System in the AWS you have to change the port. Yeah. Maybe first let's see whether it is running or not. Or it is also running. Great. Now it feels like I have checked everything, almost everything is now I need to go to AWS console whether port is blocking or not. Okay. I'll say go to there. Security. It should be a data integrator. No? Let's check. Huh? Oh, it is there only. It is there, right? I've selected default network also. So I need to let me give 80 port. Okay. I didn't mention any 80 port. Oh, I was giving wrong. HTTP, it should be HTTP. I was giving HTTP, yes, because of that reason. It should be HTTP. Now see, I don't need to do anything. Shell script is there. I'm just running it. See, earlier I used to give how many 5, 6 commands, right? Now one command. That's it. And this is reusable. That is the good part. This script anytime you can run it. You can copy this script to some other server, run it there itself. It will also run. So like this, you can practice it. Like this way, a lot of the other scripts are there. You can practice those scripts also. Okay. Any doubt? No, right? All clear.
We can use the script in the AWS console, like when you create in the instance, like bootstrap script, something like that.
Yes, there also we are using. See, that is somewhat like high level. Okay, in AWS, whenever you are going to create the script, you can say after the server came up, run this script. It will be also done. That is also possible. I should show you. Okay, fine, time is there. Okay,
What is the worries to creating these scripts while creating the instance only?
yeah, sorry, what is the?
What is the problem actually? You are told after creating the instance only you can mention these scripts, right?
Yeah, because not problem, that would be useful only. Because see, anyhow I need to run those script to get my HTTPD installed, right? Instead of
Yes.
going later, I can put on that time only, hey, run this only, because I need it. So
No, no,
here let
I'm
me,
asking we can use it, no issues.
yeah, we can use it anytime.
Mm, yeah.
Let me create new instance, I'll show you. See, there are a lot of possibles are there. You can use either yours. That it depends on you what kind of process you want to follow. Let me go with this. This is happy keep here, right? I'll say that is called user data. Okay. So here advanced option is there, right? It in advanced option somewhere it would be there. User data option will be there. Yeah, user data, that is optional. You can use it or else you cannot use it. So what
Correct.
I'll do, I will copy this script where it is available.
Go to the VI.
I'll say cat httpd, right? I'll
Yes.
copy this particular script. I will say you should run after the server, you create the server, so it will do also. Okay, I'll say launch instance. Let's try to check it. So what it will do, automatically http would be installed. Once I'll check, see here, let server come up, then automatically this on this server httpd should be installed. I got public IP. I didn't select it. Oh, okay, this one. Let's try to do this. Check this. It is checking https. Okay, see, it automatically came only.
Correct,
So
correct.
during installation also I can be done. It can be done anything. There are a lot of ways are there.
Okay.
All good, right? Or any doubt? I need to delete these two instances. I don't want this. All good. So
Teach those two programs in the WhatsApp so that we can practice.
don't copy paste it.
No problem. I mean, we will practice.
You will see and write it down.
Yeah.
Don't copy paste it. Okay. If you are copy pasting it, you will not remember anything. I'll paste it everything. Don't worry. But where it was? I oh, that user creation one, right?
Yeah. This one also.
The cell script and this one. Okay. But don't copy it. Don't copy paste it. That's what I want to give later. Okay, I'll give some other script to practice it. This one,
Yes, please share with this one.
okay. Everyone wants, but don't copy paste it.
Sure, sure, sure. No worries.
Okay. Let me stop sharing. Let me open WhatsApp. WhatsApp group only, right?
Yeah.
This 9 p.m. batch, you all are there, right? New batch
9,
9 p.m.
9 p.m. or 9 a.m.
I'm giving here only. I don't know. Everyone got right?
AWS, DevOps. I'm not there with
Oh,
No,
I don't
sir.
know.
No.
I don't know which group is for this. Harsa is posting a lot of groups. I don't.
Okay, better to share here only in chat.
Okay, AWS group here it is
In
there, right?
WhatsApp you are pasting, sir?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Yeah, got it.
Got it right?
Is it,
Yeah.
Oh, then fine.
uh,
But don't copy paste it. I'm saying again and again. Okay. Write it down, get the error, fix the error. Okay. Okay. I think that's it for today. We'll continue with the 27 is holiday or what? Then we'll be meeting after how
Sir, Asha has posted that the thing class will be closed from Tuesday to November 8, I think.
number 8. Okay, then
Yeah.
fine. I'll take leave also. Not an issue.
No, you're saying that. So I'm asking you whether you will be there or not.
I'll be available because I'm not going to my hometown. So I'm
Oh,
yes,
available.
okay,
yes,
okay.
we
Then
are
it is
also
fine.
available.
Okay, okay.
If you all are available, then we can continue.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
yes,
Yeah,
we
sure.
can, we can.
Yeah.
Okay, then let me talk to Harsha. Okay, I'll say to Harsha that everyone wants for class, so everyone will be available on that time, so we can
Yeah,
continue.
please. Yeah.
What about tomorrow?
No, tomorrow not. Saturday, Sunday is family time.
Okay,
I cannot do anything.
okay, okay.
Monday to Friday, I will work hard. Saturday, Sunday, I'll sleep with family, son, all are there. We'll go somewhere.
What is the plan for this week?
This week, I'll go for Sunday. I already planned. I booked for barbecue nation with family.
Okay, okay. Enjoy, enjoy.
This Marathali barbecue nation.
Sir, can you take the responsibility of these videos, sir?
That one I'll talk to Harsha now. I don't know what is the problem. Main thing is that Anil Kumar Banka. I don't know if Harsha is giving me access to me. I can do
Actually,
that.
the folder is updating with the current data. But when you go inside that folder, it is completely the last batch recordings.
He can move something, but maybe he doesn't know.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm, I'll talk to Harsha also.
Recording stopped.
Say, yeah. One thing, who all are available during this period? Please raise hand in the group, WhatsApp group, that I want class with whatever holiday period is there, so that Harsha will understand also and he can tell also whether to continue or stop. Okay, whoever wants for class, not here in WhatsApp group. I want in WhatsApp group confirmation. Okay. Now or today, whenever you want, you can post, hey, I want this class. I don't want any leave. I'll be available for this particular time, so you can continue. Like this, you can say.
Okay.
Okay, that would be better. Otherwise, Harsha will think like Samail is only continuing and rest all are taking the leave. Maybe that 31, 1 to 1, 2 days I can skip, but not whole week or something. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Just post on WhatsApp. Let's see. I can continue. I don't have an issue. I'll be at here only. Okay. Thank you all. 19 already.
Guys,
Thank
for
you.
the current batch Linux recording, right? Can we all post at the same time so that Harsha will get to know? Because even I haven't received the recordings.
Yeah. Please do. Please all reply that I need this particular Linux video. I'm not getting current video like this, and tag to Harsha itself. All together. That would be then only Harsha will recognize. Okay, some all are missing everything for that particular file or folder. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay then.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye bye.